Hey, my name's Jeannie. You're probably wondering what my YouTube's gonna be about. Well, I'm gonna show you how to vamp up your wardrobe. Also show you mistakes that I've gone through, but you know, we always go through them. Also getting out of my comfort zone. And all, Jeannie's World is about creativity and fun. And now, welcome to Jeannie's World. Hey cutie, today I'm going to show you how to make these simple but cute Christmas cards that you can personalize yourself and give your loved ones this Christmas. So what you're going to need is some posters, cotton balls, acrylic paint, glitter, something to paint with, something to write with, and Mod Podge, and some ribbon. So what I'm doing here is I'm just sketching a Santa hat. You can use Google for reference, which is what I'm doing right now. So then you cut it out, and what I do is that I flip it. So here is where the cotton comes in, but first write what you want to put so it's easier for you to write on. Then grab your glue and start gluing your cotton balls. Then, since I thought it was kind of plain, what I did is I got some Mod Podge and then put it around the rim and then added some glitter. And for the back, I just erased all the markings and put a postcard so I can write a personalized letter on the back. And there you have it, a Santa hat. For this one, you can do whatever colors you want. All you have to do is just draw circles. Because these are going to be your ornaments. Then you grab a Sharpie and you start doing the little things that go on the top, which I don't know what they're called. You'll see right here. Yeah, that. Then grab your hole punch and then put a ribbon in there. For this one, you just need your green paint and then just do a circle and then start putting dots around it as your little ornaments. This can be any color you want. Because I'm impatient, I'm showing you a different one on the next clip, and all you do is you cut around it and then you just poke a little hole and weave in a ribbon, whichever kind you want. This is just another reference of what I made. It's just a little bow with glitter. Okay, my army family, so this is a heart that you'll recognize. What I'm doing here, I'm just referencing the cover of the album. So here I'm just tracing it with a black Sharpie. You don't have to do this. I just did it so you can be able to see what I'm doing. So all you do is put Mod Podge around the lines that you made and then put glitter. And since glitter tends to be kind of weird, what I'm doing here is I grabbed a brush and started scraping off parts that I didn't like. This part is also a personal preference. What I did is that I colored in with white acrylic paint. And there you have it, a cute little heart which you can customize. And lastly but not least, the little army bomb. So all you gotta do is sketch it out. What I did here is just I grabbed a circle and just traced it. Since this holiday edition, I just did different colors. Here I just put red on the bottom instead of black like the usual one. And once you're done painting it, before it dries, put a coat of glitter and it'll stay on top of it. Then grab your white acrylic paint and reference a candy cane of your choice and start doing the little lines. Then what I'm doing here is I am drawing the BTS letters in the acrylic paint, and then I went on top of it with Mod Podge and put a glitter on top. But if you do this, make sure your white lines are dry or the glitter will stick on. And for it to pop out, what I did is I just traced around it with black acrylic paint. And then now you just start customizing whatever you want it to say. I just put Merry Christmas on it. Then I just traced it with a marker, and after that I just go over it with a black acrylic paint. And if you mess up, don't worry, you can just grab a white acrylic paint like I'm doing here, and I'm just cleaning up what stuff I don't like. What I'm doing here is I grabbed a plastic bag where I found it at Dollar Tree under the party section, and I'm just tracing it a circle bigger than the actual bomb, and then I tape the back. And for the front, I just put a little tape on the top. It's not noticeable because it's clear, and then I just cut around it. And lastly, I just go over the glitter with Mod Podge for it not to flake off. And there you have it, a cute, customizable BTS army bomb. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Bye!